Open the smash. As soon as I hit this button, the challenge starts. Shit get no force. Alright. Go. Alright, y'all. 4 pounds, 4.4 pounds of chicken nugget. Finna go in here. Preheat the 400. Let's do it. Early in the morning, but let's make some hot sauce. Or some kind of sauce. Alright, and for our sauce, what sauce? Recommend you try it first time trying it too. No, not just ketchup. A little bit of ketchup, a little bit of lemon. Alright. So we get good. I need to eat all these chicken nuggets under 10 minutes. So I'm gonna need some support. Something to keep me going. The extra flavor. Ketchup mixed with hot sauce. Let's do it. Now I know some of you might not like it. Ketchup ain't for some of y'all, but for me, I'm using everything I can get. Okay, that one sauce. The classic, the best sauce of all time, barbecue. God damn it, to my mouth, barbecue sauce. No, nah. The longer I go on, the faster it's gonna come to me. There we go. A little bit of crab barbecue sauce to finish it off. And here are the sauces. Alright, now, time to cook the chicken up. Y'all eat all these motherfucking chicken nuggets in under 10 minutes. Let's do it. Okay, just rip the bag. Yeah, that works. Alright, so time to put these on the pan. Oven this preheat to 400 degrees. Let's put these on the pan. Okay, now this pan is filled to the brim with chicken nuggets. I'm not sure if all these gonna cook or not. The oven's preheated, but we're still not done, guys. We still have more chicken nuggets. Now I could just say that these are all chicken nuggets, but I'm gonna be real with you. And I'm gonna put some more in this pan. Let's do it. Now, do not try this at home, kids. Don't try this at home. Pretty sure it's gonna upset something. Right? It might not. I'm smell these chicken nuggets. I know that. I'm hungry. So let's go and get it. Okay, so let's count these up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 109, 100, 101, 102, 103. So this is roughly 120 chicken nuggets, guys. Let's get to it. All right, now we place these in the oven. Look at that heat. Ooh, it feels good. Okay. I'm gonna put these on top. Just because this one has a hell of a lot more. Oh, wait. Okay, let's put some oil down too. Okay, there we go. Close the bad boy up. And I'm gonna leave it in the ovens for about 15-16 minutes. So I'll be back in 16 minutes. Now a little preparation. This is a little preparation for the big meal. And if you guys haven't seen my video, I recently just gave away $20 for whoever did the most push-ups. Which most people say I won. I just want to count my push-ups, which is probably true, but I don't care. I like to give away money anyway. It was fun. It was exciting. Anyway, Let's do a little preparation. Diamond push-up. Burn some calories. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Let's check on this. Looks like they're just about ready. Gonna give them one more minute just to be sure. But yeah, I'm gonna smash these chicken nuggets. Let's get them out the oven. Check the fire rate. Oh yeah, these are in. Okay guys, check this out. I'm not too sure on these ones. I think that, yeah, they ready. All right. Let's get a quick picture for the thumbnail real quick. And now, let's put these bad boys on the plate. Let's get them while they hot, shall we? Actually, I got a better idea. About aluminum foil. For you ASMR guys. I mean, for you ASMR guys. Like, this shit just look insane. Like, I've been watching all these food challenges my whole life, but I never imagined how this shit really look in front of you. Like, it's a whole nother experience. This shit insane, bro. This shit's insane. Okay, guys, I'm getting that man versus food vibe. I'm ready to tackle this. I'm ready. But first, before I smash these chicken nuggets, I'm so hyped. But first, I think we're gonna need a little more sauce. Alright, if this isn't enough sauces, then I don't know what it is. Let's do it. I'm ready. Black and okay. I'm ready. Let's go and get this on the road, not waste any more time. I do not want this to get cold at all. Set the time. I'm ready. Alright. Time is gonna be right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm gonna set another time though on the screen too. Time is right here. All right. And when I press this button, food challenge will begin. Never ate this much in my life, but trust me, I'm finna smash these chicken nuggets. I'm finna smash these chicken nuggets. These can be gone so fast in under 10 minutes. Now, have you guys ever wondered? Have you guys ever asked that question? How many chicken, can I eat a whole bag of chicken nuggets, a Tyson chicken nugget? Well, today, this is finna be answered. A whole 4 pounds of chicken nugget. 4.4 pounds of chicken nugget. 120 chicken nuggets, 6,900 calories. 6,900 calories. 4.4 pounds. Going right in here. I'm finna smash. You guys ready? Comment down below if you believe in me. If you think I can do it, comment down below. Yes or no. Love you guys. Hit the like button. I'm hyped. I'm almost getting an adrenaline rush. I'm so hyped. Now let's go. Oh, I'm gonna smash. As soon as I hit this button, the challenge starts. Shit, get no force. All right. Go. Kids, don't try this. I'm doing this so y'all don't have to. I'm so frustrated, my camera turned off, and I don't know my footage saved. I stopped the timer. Hopefully it's saved, but I'm pissed. I'm finna fucking smash. And my footage saved. Wait a minute. Yeah, my footage saved. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Enjoy the video. I'm thinking, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Find out what happens if the video goes long. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm pissed. Start the timer, man. I'm pissed. I'm really pissed. Wow, it's stupid, man. Hey, come on. Yep. This is pretty good to do too. So, man. Do some other food say. So, man. Nobody. They're eating fine. Over. What are you doing? I mean, keep trying to eat the same thing that you want. I can eat that. You don't take that. It's like shit. Tell me, why did I do this? Why did I do this? It's a dumb idea. Tell my camera so shit. It's a dumb idea. I don't know what. I should do pizza rolls. I like them way more than chicken nuggets. I told myself about chicken nuggets yesterday. I mean pizza rolls yesterday. But you know I'm gonna do this for you guys. Bye. I love you guys. I'm gonna throw up. No, I don't. I do. I'm sorry. I don't know if I can. Think about them positive things. I'm right. I'm not gonna waste all this food, even if it is processed. I'm not gonna waste it. Do it for them. Do it for you guys. I wanna give up so bad. I don't think I did prepare enough. I've been preparing all week for this though. All week. I had new respect for them food time. What is it, 6 minutes? I had new respect for them. I can't do this shit no more. When I was little, I probably could have smelled it. Nope. It's just the same. It's the same thing. It's just like eating the same thing with nothing else. Nothing on the side, nothing. I should have made some mac and cheese. Just eating the same thing. It just kill your appetite. Cause I'm still hungry. I just don't want this shit. I told a lot of people I was gonna be able to do this shit. Usually stick to my word, but I didn't know what I was getting into. Be honest. Like, every right, I'm gonna throw up about do this shit. But I still ain't stop eating yet though. I'm gonna start to do the last 20 minutes to bring you so I feel full. Kids, bad idea. Don't try this. Bad idea. Worst idea ever. If you're gonna try this, pick something that has more than one kind of food. You don't want to keep eating the same shit or just kill your appetite. You want to eat the food. You don't want to stop because you don't want to eat the food because it don't taste good to you. Eat something you like. And something you found out. Eat something you like. That shit right here just trifling. I'm like, damn. For real. This video really just turned into a commentary video. Ask me some questions. I'm down. So what time it? Time will turn out. One thing I lost. Bitch, I ain't lose. Go back to the time. We at 8 minutes and 42 minutes. I hate this. I'm gonna throw out. No cap. It was a dumb ass idea. I like doing dumb shit though. I had never put the door up and like this. 2 years without putting the door up. I've been taking good care of my body. This process shit. Like this. No. I was so confident in the beginning. I was like, I'm gonna smash this shit. I'm gonna smash this. Now again, 9 minutes and 55 seconds left. I'm ready to go. Finally, we hit the 10-minute mark. Still here. I hope you learn from my mistake. Don't try this. I would try to the video. Y'all get video good. Like, don't go out. You video get 50 likes. You know what? 25. Video get 25 likes. Nice trying to do some. I'm not gonna say peace on this. I'm not gonna say it the same man. I try to do some challenge that I raise you with different. Like more of everything. I did. Kind of sweet too. You know I'm making up excuses, but I'm gonna try this again in this video, get 25 likes with more of everything. And I hope you guys like seeing like a non-professional person attempt to do a outrageous food challenge, cause it's basically me right now. I'm a non-professional. It's a beautiful food shop. Red dog. You know what I'm saying? I don't know when to quit. You feel like like shit. Maybe I didn't cook them, I don't know. No, they cooked. I think. Yeah, they cook. See how they brown right there? They gotta need to call in for reinforcements. Oh my god. All cripples like that. I just be, I smell this shit. Damn. I don't think I did cook these for long enough. God damn. I would smash that shit. Oh shit. They were all cripples like that. I would smash the fuck out of these. No cap, I don't think these bitches were cooked long enough. Hold fuck up. I don't think I know how to cook these bitches. If they just taste like how they be, I would smash the fuck out of these yo. No cap. I'm gonna get reinforcement though. It's too late now, I don't feel it. Actually, nah, I don't feel it. We don't feel like they cook good enough. These videos still going up though. I don't care. And let me go get some reinforcements. Okay guys, so another tip is make sure you cook the food right. I think I probably get myself food poisoning. But make sure you cook the food right. It don't feel good. Like supposed to cook it like this. Not like that was good too. Maybe I did get this shit right. Maybe I'm just tripping. Stop telling me. Like, nah, I just me. I just don't like piece of chicken nugget. Like I just fucking hate chicken nugget. This is not my thing. I just fucking hate chicken nugget. That shit did a piece of raw. Like I said, what video get? Nah, I'm not gonna do piece of raw. I'll probably throw it too. When video get 25 likes though, I try another one. But you know. I'm not for him to, I'm not gonna kill this shit. I'm gonna throw in the towel. I'm gonna watch a man versus food. Like in this episode, a Melvin versus food. Lily Male versus food. Look like food wins this time. So I get food 1, Lily Male 0. But you know what? Yeah. It's been 14 minutes since I've been eating on these chicken nuggets. And you know what? I'm throwing in the towel. I'm not gonna do this shit. Yeah, I don't forgot that I'm doing. I'm not gonna do this shit. I can't do this shit. Shit, I gotta do something with more variety, bro. I can't do this shit. I gotta really be so confident. I can't do this shit. I really that shit so bad. I can't do this shit. You don't want you just eat the same thing over and over and over and over and over. You ain't all the way good like that. It ain't a good same thing. It's chicken nugget. Fuck no. So you know what? I'm throwing in the towel. This has been Lily Mare. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to watch. Don't compete for the money on whoever did the most push-ups. Hope you guys enjoyed that video right there. Click on that bit. Anyway, you know the drill. It's been 15 minutes. Lily Mare out this bit. Bye. Now my whole camera smell like chicken nugget. My whole fucking phone smells like chicken nugget. I just want to die. Well, not die, but you know. Oh yeah, I didn't try at 15, 16 minutes. 15 minutes, 16 seconds. Probably this sick too. Anyway, like I said, Lily Mare out this bit. Anyway, I figured out what the next challenge would be because I think the problem was with this shit right here. I just don't like chicken nuggets. That shit trifling. That shit fucking nasty to me. I don't like chicken nuggets. Y'all can like them. I don't like them. But I figured out what I do next when I get 25 likes on this video. If y'all want to see it. If y'all want to see it, 25 likes. I just got this idea from Gab. I'm going to try wings next. I'm going to try eat however many wins. Like the video. Next video, when y'all get the video, get no likes. If y'all want to see it. Next video, if y'all want to see it, how many wings can lmao eat? And I can smash some wings. Because I can eat, when I eat pizza, I eat the whole box of pizza myself. Then I can eat the wings myself too. So I can smash some wings. I eat a whole box of pizza and wings by myself. Or I can smash some wings. Hope you guys like it. Like the video. If you want to see more like this, if you want to see the wing challenge. Hope you guys like it.